Well, in today's world, we expect perfection in everything that we make, and that's in a production environment. We need to know the process, so if we have problems, we can react quickly to those needs. We need to know our equipment, so if it does break down, we can get it fixed quickly and not interrupt production. We have interrupted production, we have dissatisfied customers. So who needs to be trained? Anybody in the resistance welding process. That's operators, lead persons, maintenance personnel, quality control people, managers, and even your design engineers. TJ Snow offers several different training options. One can be at your facility, where we have a one-day classroom session, and we also have a two-day session where one day spent in the classroom and then one day out on your shop floor working with your welders and your equipment. We also have a regional training session that's offered in several major cities throughout the year. We also have a webinar program featuring live interaction with the instructor, and also an e-course program specifically geared to resistance welding machine operators. This is to introduce them to the resistance welding world. Well, for more information on any of our training programs, go to tjsnow.com.